Hello mga math aaral! Welcome to my step-by-step math video tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss sum of infinite geometric sequence or geometric series. What is infinite geometric series? Infinite geometric series represents the sum of infinite number of terms, or terms that cannot be counted or having no limits in a geometric sequence. The formula in finding the sum of infinite geometric sequence is S sub infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 minus R, where S sub infinity is the sum of infinite geometric sequence. A sub 1 is the first term and R is the common ratio, where R or the common ratio is greater than -1 but less than 1. Let's have example number 1. Find the sum of infinite geometric series 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 over 16 plus and so on. The given are, our first term or A sub 1 is 1/2. The common ratio or R is 1/2. How did we get 1/2? It is by dividing the preceding terms. So 1 over 16 divided by 1 over 8 is equal to 1/2. 1 over 8 divided by 1/4 is also equal to 1/2. 1/4 divided by 1/2 is equal to 1/2. So our common ratio is 1/2. Using the formula we have, just substitute the given to the formula. So, A sub 1 is 1/2 over 1 minus our R is 1/2. So, 1 minus 1/2. Simplifying this, we have 1/2 over 1 minus 1/2 is equal to 0.50 or 0.5. And 1/2 divided by 0.5 is equal to 1. Thus, the sum of the infinite geometric series 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1 over 16 plus and so on is equal to 1. Example number 2. Find the sum of infinite geometric series 50 plus 25 plus 12.5 plus 6.25 plus and so on. So the given are, our first term or A sub 1 is 50. Our common ratio or R is equal to 1/2. Why 1/2? Because if we are going to divide 6.25 to 12.5, the answer is 1/2. 12.5 divided by 25 is still 1/2. And 25 divided by 50 is 1/2. Thus, the common ratio or R is 1/2. Using now the formula we have, just substitute the given to the formula. Our A sub 1 is 50 over 1 minus our R is 1/2. Simplifying this, we have 50 over 1 minus 1/2 is 0.50 or 1/2. 50 divided by 0.50 or 0.5 is equal to 100. Thus, the sum of infinite geometric series 50 plus 25 plus 12.5 plus 6.25 plus and so on is 100. Example number 3. Find the sum of infinite geometric series 625, 125, 25, 5, and so on. The given are, our first term or A sub 1 is 625. The common ratio or R is 1 over 5. How did we get 1/5? We divide 5 divided by 25 is 1/5. 25 divided by 125 is 1/5. 125 divided by 625 is still 1/5. So, the common ratio is 1/5. Using the formula, we have, just substitute the given to the formula. So, our A sub 1 is 625 over 1 minus R. Our R is 1/5. Simplifying this, we have 625 over 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. And 625 divided by 4/5 is equal to 3,125 over 4, or 781.25. The sum of the infinite geometric series is 781.25. Let's solve example number 4. Find the sum of infinite geometric series 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus and so on. The given are, our first term is 4, or A sub 1 is 4. The common ratio or R is equal to 1/2. Why 1/2? Because 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 4 is equal to 1/2. 1/4 divided by 1/2 is 1/2. And 1/2 divided by 1 is still 1/2. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. And 2 divided by 4 is 1/2. Thus, the common ratio or R is 1/2. So, using the formula, just substitute the given to the formula. So, our A sub 1 is 4 over 1 minus our R is 1/2. Simplifying 1 minus 1/2, we have 0.5 or 1/2. So, 4 divided by 0.5 is equal to 8. Thus, the sum of our geometric series is 8. For letter B, find the common ratio of the infinite geometric series with the given sum and first term. Use the formula of common ratio R equals negative A sub 1 over S sub infinity plus 1. So, these are the given. So, for number 1, just substitute the given to the formula. So, our A sub 1 is 3/4 over S sub infinity is 15 over 16. Then we have here negative plus 1. Simplifying this, we have 3/4 divided by 15 over 6 equals negative 48 over 60 plus 1. And negative 48 over 60 plus 1 is equal to 1/5. Thus, the common ratio given these two is 1/5. For number 2, we have S sub infinity is equal to 12 and A sub 1 is equal to 2. So, using the formula, just substitute 12 and 2. So, our A sub 1 is positive 2. So, we have negative 2 and our S sub infinity is 12 plus 1. Simplifying this, negative 2 over 12 plus 1 is equal to positive 5 over 6. Thus, the common ratio of these two is 5/6. And for the last, number 3, just substitute the given to the formula. So our a sub 1 is 1. So a sub 1 is 1. S sub infinity is 4. So we have negative 1/4 plus 1. Simplifying this, negative 1/4 plus 1 is equal to 3/4. So the common ratio of these two given here is 3/4. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and share the video tutorial. Thank you. Until next time.